Draw all this gap first. The road don't draw too big.
The road we draw first, Mr.
Yes, you draw first.
I thought you draw last.
Okay. So this one we want to show the entire road. So then later we draw the plank for the bridge. The line don't draw like that. The line have to be flat. Perspective view. Okay. Then now this one a bit confusing. That's why we want to tell the story. So we draw three to block.
Yeah.
Yeah, how the turn here, no need to tell the story. Sometimes we must do like that. We don't go and show people everything. Understood how to turn the thing. Understood.
So all the bushes is blocked.
So this one also the draw another rock here to block. Okay. Now so this one the one go behind the bridge. Okay. Now this one also you draw three here. You draw three. Now, so for all these pine tree, first thing you can draw the shape first. Now, all this on the cliff there. Now, so the pine tree you start with let it flow down, let it lie down like that. The brush become sharp. I see the hand like that one. Okay. Because there got space here, that's why the tree grow. This side got the rock blocking, so it cannot grow that side. So the tree will come to this side and grow. So as and when it grow longer and longer, because the pine tree will go sideways one. So they go sideways, become longer, so heavy, so they come down. So it looks like that.
Yeah.
So you must understand why is it like that.
Come down.
They grow sideways one. Pine tree they go sideways. Okay. Now make it sharp like that. Okay. To make it so square or one round shape, eventually looks like one round shape. I didn't know. Okay. Now, so all these things. So first thing you just draft out the shape of the tree first. The shape, so make it looks like umbrella shape. Okay, umbrella shape. Now, so if one have another big one, so you just sketch out the shape. Okay, the shape is a triangular like the umbrella. Right, like the umbrella. Okay, so then you start from the center first. Center one is the tegak one, then it become fall down like that, left, and then fall down to the right. This is one group. Then second group you duplicate, make sure it go closer. Now. Draw darker. All these things is too light. Because this sort of, you can I use the direct dark ink to draw, so it doesn't matter. Because this sort of thing is just right in front of you. So draw darker. Then you release the further one, the further one
Lighter.
Okay. Now, the far mountain I don't use this ink to draw already. So it's the same thing. See the rock. You just rub like that. Okay. Same thing. Sometimes this part you see I don't draw. I only put color only. So prepare for me to write the thing here, do right there. Okay, the words don't write there because all this is the mist so nice, you know. The sky you don't go and so we write here. So we plan already, we're going to write here. So this thing we don't chun here. But we'll continue to put color, put color. So become the green paper for you to write also can. But you draw until here so messy already how to write. Okay, right so you cannot see. Okay, right so you cannot see now. You just do like that. It's the same thing now, layer by layer. So you must rub until the end. Rub until layer by layer. Then in between it's very important to make the thing look natural and make it thicker. Always tap all these bushes. Use the dark into the bushes. Sometimes certain things don't even have the big tree. Everything just by bushes. Just how Atma the one the sample all bushes within no tree actually. No pine tree, just bushes only. Okay. Now, so if you don't want a pine tree, you can do away. You just add bushes only. Sometimes the bushes you can make it bigger, looks like a tree. Looks like a tree like that. So same thing. Looks like a tree. You can come out. See the brush, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1 like that. 4 out like that. Okay? Now, so this is the waterfall. We draw the waterfall. Now, so this is no tiang in between. Okay, never mind. Now, so we can start to draw the water. Now, start with the sharp point. 1, 2. Don't draw so close. Sometimes we draw very far away. We rather draw very far away. Sometimes very close. Draw lesser. Okay. Now 1 layer. Then second one we can draw another one here. Some here. Sometimes we can draw one longer one. Longer one. Then this one you can draw like that. Now the piece, the sample, it could be a little bit complicated because as the thing layer step by step like that, huh? So you can do a simpler one, just 2 layer.
Okay.
Just 2 layer. Okay, so maybe this one in between I add another smaller one. See, must start with the very sharp point. Then let it go down like that. Okay, now so sometimes in between we can add a piece of rock here in between, so we can convert some of these things become a rock. Use a darker one. Become darker one. Sometimes in between we add some smaller one. Make another layer come up. Rather than so neat now. So this is another small layer come from here. All this is just add on one. Yeah, then like that cukup already. So the left and right, the shape of the waterfall, I mean the rock next to it, make it more what do you call it? More obvious. See, like that.
Good morning, Mr.Yee.
Morning. So you
Jalan laju.
can add the tree here.
I
You can add the tree.
want this also. Tak.
Okay.
Rugi lah.
Now, so I roughly draw another round. Then later I'll show you how to do the shading. Wait for the thing to dry first. Now, so you draw another mountain here. Mountain here. Now all these 5 mountains don't draw so thick the line. Draw thinner. So lighter than this thing. Lighter than this thing. Now this one left and right, Ama. Left and right.
Okay.
Left and right. So the center way round a little bit.
You stop and then
Yes. Remember always this is macam misai left and right like that. You know what I mean? Now so this one you rub here darker. Sometimes you can make another small peak come out. Small peak come out. This is another small peak. So sometimes we can change the mountain shape, by another mountain range here. This will extend it lower down, so the mountain becomes like that. Not just like that. Sometimes a lot of variation you can add on. So now this one like that. Then you just rub. So now the missile become here already. Now the missile left and right become here, not here anymore already. Because I keep on add on.
to do the correction. Saulang a bit. Saulang.
So later.